please, why are you offering this program?
Okay, so from a personal perspective, I'm offering this because I have this urge now to put into manifestation decades of studies in all different areas of life. And that's part of, I think, my nature is to be an integrator of things that I've studied that I know works for people if they apply themselves. So this is an accumulation of many decades of study and self-healing and growth and awareness. And I was guided to finally offer this because I have this inspiration and this passion now to I guess we could say, get the work out into the world so that people can become their embodiment of their highest ideals, their highest state of consciousness, and to be also a very practical human being working and living in the world in which people can relate and grow and heal and become the masters of their life.